Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with Ford Pass Connect, Ford Copilot 360 Assist, voice-activated touchscreen navigation system, speed sign recognition, emergency communication system, Sync 3 911 assist, rear view camera, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, alloy wheels, keyless entry, Sirius XM satellite radio, and has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.